Hannah, what are you doing?
Holding goggles.
What are the goggles for?
The goggles are for going swimming.
Yeah, did you get new goggles? You excited? Hannah, what are we gonna do when we're there?
We're going swimming.
Yeah?
And play in the sandbox. And make a sandcastle.
We got a lot planned for our trip, don't you? Where are we going, Hannah?
We're going swimming.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are we getting close?
Yeah. Swimming. Yay. Swimming is my favorite.
You ready to go in?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. What did you just do in the sand?
I just picked up.
Okay, so the whole time you were picking up? That doesn't sound like fun at all.
Yes, it does.
All right. Under the sprinkler. Hannah, what do we do?
We went swimming and played with Daddy in Brooklyn.
Yeah? Did you have fun?
Yeah,
What was your favorite part, Hannah?
playing in the sandbox.
Yeah?
And going swimming.
Yeah? All right. Are we gonna head home now?
Yep.
So-
Bye, camera.
What are you gonna do next time?
Next time.
Are you gonna go with Mommy, or are you gonna go somewhere different?
Next time with Mommy, I'm gonna go swimming again.
Ooh, I think Mommy will love that. That'll be special for her.